Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love discovering clever gadgets that make life easier, more organized, and just a bit cooler, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 5 must-have compact tools that are perfect for your everyday carry. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an outdoor explorer, a DIY hobbyist, or just someone who appreciates smart design, these tools are going to surprise you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Smart Keychain. This is not your average keychain. The Smart Keychain is sleek, compact, and quieter than any other key organizer out there. Designed to be smaller than a pack of bullets, you can easily slide it into your pocket without any bulk. The intelligent stacking system keeps your keys neatly arranged and accessible. No more noisy key jingles or awkward poking in your pocket. Made from 6061 T6 aviation aluminum, this keychain is built to last. It's sandblasted and anodized, giving it a premium look and feel, while also resisting scratches and wear. This is the kind of minimalist upgrade you won't realize you needed until you try it. Number 4. USB sound card. Say goodbye to poor audio with the USB sound card from Ugreen. Whether you're gaming, podcasting, or in endless Zoom meetings, this tiny powerhouse delivers crystal clear 24-bit 96 kHz sound. It's plug and play, no drivers, no software, just instant quality improvement. Plus, it has a 4-pin combo jack for both mic and headphones. That means fewer wires and more portability. Whether you're using a laptop, PC, PS4, PS5, or even your smartphone, this compact adapter is fully compatible. Choose between 15 centimeters or 100 centimeters cable lengths based on your setup and you're good to go. This is one of those gadgets that instantly boosts productivity and entertainment. Number 3. Memory card case. For photographers, videographers, and drone users, this is a game changer. The memory card case features a multi-grid, waterproof design and can hold 12 SD and 12 micro SD cards all in one sleek, shockproof box. Each slot is precisely cut to fit your cards, preventing any movement or damage during travel. It's even designed with ergonomic detailing and an easy access hole, making it incredibly user-friendly. You'll never misplace a card again. This case keeps everything protected and in one place, whether you're on a shoot, hiking, or traveling abroad. Number 2. Mini Monocular Scope. Outdoor enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Mini Monocular Scope delivers powerful 8 times magnification in a tiny package. It fits in your palm, but offers a 96 meter per 1,000 meter field of view, perfect for hiking, birdwatching, and sightseeing. Fully coated with green film for improved clarity and brightness. This scope is also IPX4 water resistant, so light rain won't slow you down. It's compact, lightweight, and only 50 grams. And super easy to carry in your bag or even your pocket. If you're someone who loves the outdoors but hates bulky gear, this is the perfect solution. Number 1. Deep Hole Marker. This isn't just a marker, it's a tool every DIYer needs. The Deep Hole Marker pen features a 20mm long head tip, ideal for getting into hard-to-reach areas like lamp holes, drill spots, or deep wooden joints. It writes on wood, metal, glass, and more. Whether you're doing furniture repairs, construction layouts, or fine detailing, this marker delivers precise, fast-drying lines that won't smudge or fade. Available in black, blue, and red, it's water-resistant and built for professional use in automotive, woodworking, and industrial settings. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.